Hi guys, so I have 4 kids and each of them shares a room with their sibling. We are always looking for space-saving solutions, and I had this open corner upstairs which I thought would be great for a shoe cabinet. So I found this one and it is absolutely perfect because it doesn't look like a shoe cabinet at all. It's a beautiful piece of furniture. I love the rattan design on the doors and it blends right in with our decor. It was super easy to assemble, and inside it's helped us keep the kids' shoes organized, freed up space in their closets. It has 4 adjustable shelves, so each of my kids gets a shelf to themselves. And to top it up, you can even tuck more shoes under the cabinet. The back has an open vent which allows air to flow through so the shoes aren't actually closed up in a dark, stuffy place. My favorite thing was being able to use the top part as an extra storage space or a decor area. So of course I added my air purifier, and I also added a night light, which is ideal for when the kids have to go to the bathroom at night. Overall, I am really happy with this purchase. It's functional, it's beautiful, and it's perfect for small spaces. I would add this to my carts before they sell out.